You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower in the bloom, like a shower you love. You can keep the keys to your dreams. Say the magic word, you know I'm all yours. This love is a thing of the boundaries. You took the words right out of my mouth. I just need a good these guys don't finish last, they just wanna take their time.
Baby girl, I was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we can hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go.
So this is what we bought yesterday, the 12 fruits. So this is what we have as of now. We haven't started cooking yet, but we were about to. Also bought some taho. I already finished mine, so yeah. Here is the food. So we have this kalamay. Kalamay is like rice thingy. And ube alaya, halaya. Ube is like purple yam. And this is macaroni, the fruits. There. The sipo egg. Spaghetti. More macaronis and some cake. And then soft drinks and all and all. Yo, we have some dragon fruit here. Nagano kami ng dragon fruit. Tapos ang binili namin, kulay violet yung laman. Red violet. Now, it's white. Meron siyang part na maasim, meron siyang part na matabang. Meron din part na masarap din. That part was good. The bite. This is good. I don't know what else to eat because there's so many and I'm already full. Kasi kanina pa kami kumakain dito na kung ano-ano. There are like lots of eggs ngayon. Kailangan namin ubusan. Meron pa sa ref. Ba? Dami pa. Kasi yung kinain ko kanina, macaroni. And kumain din ako ng Graham. Kanina. Oh, I forgot to try the bulalo. But I'm gonna try it tomorrow. So yun guys, see you tomorrow.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush.
Di ako nga dyan. Crystal. Di. Ako dyan. Ikaw na lang. Saan ang dalawa?
Ay, wala. Walang polvo. Wala.
Hello guys, gumagawa kami ngayon ng... Hindi mo wala ako nasali, sige. Ng costume. Dito ka kasi sa likod ko, hindi naman ito video. Dito na lang. Kasi guys, ay, yung puti. Gumagawa kami ng costume sa CPAR, Caragan Festival. Tapos sila gumagawa sila ng props. Ginagawa namin yung parang bahag namin. Sobrang dami ng gagawin namin. Hi, Karisa! Ito po yung Gartley na ginagawa namin. Gumagawa. Asan yung mga ginawa namin? Ito guys. Oh, ganyan ginagawa namin. Pag ganito siya guys, oh. Ganyan siya.
take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in